Okay, in this video we want to determine the area of the region bounded by y is equal to cosine x and y is equal to 4 minus 7 cosine x for x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi. So let's do this. So the first thing we need to do is get a graph. We hit doc, we hit insert, we hit problem, and we hit add graphs. Next we do the first equation, which is cosine x. Trig, cosine, and simply put x. Next we hit menu, we hit graphs, we hit function, and we put the second graph. 4 minus 7 times cosine x. Hit enter. Now we have it like this. Next we need to bound it, so we hit menu, we hit Windows zoom, we hit Windows setting, we make it 0 to 2 pi, and sometimes this could help. We make the x scale say pi over 2 just because we're dealing with like cosines and sines. So put pi over 2 and adjust this a little bit. Let's say negative 10 to 10. Hit OK. Actually, we can go back and make it a little bit bigger here. So menu, Windows zoom, Windows setting. Let's make it, I don't know, let's say 12. Okay, so now we have a nice graph. So we want to find the area of this, this, and this. And there's two ways to do this. One way is just to do it one shot. We hit menu, we hit analyze graph, and we hit bounded area. Starts at 0, goes all the way to 2 pi. So that's right here. So the area would be 36.1. Now this is very important. Sometimes if you were to do this step right here, the line might go down right here. That means you're not all the way to 2 pi. And I'll show you what I mean actually. So I'm back to the Windows setting. Let's say I made this 1. I go back and do the exact same thing. I hit bounded area, I start here, and I go all the way here. If you notice, there's a little white line right here, right? That means I'm not all the way to 2 pi. So that's why I got 36, which is incorrect. So let's go back. And that's why I kind of suggest going with like pi 2 whenever you're dealing with sines and cosine. And we'll quickly just get to 36.1 again. See, it went all the way, 36.1. That's good. Now another way to do this is hit menu, hit analyze graph, hit bounded area, and you do it 3 times. You go from here to here, which is 2.74, and then you do it 2 more times from here to here, which is 30.6. And one more time, which should be 2.74. 2.74. So now let's kind of quickly add 2.74, 30.6, and 2.74. So 2.74 times 2 plus 30.6, and that's going to be 36.08, which rounds to 36.1, which we saw earlier. And that's how we can get the area bounded graphically using the TI-nSpire CX CAS.